core business services provided by a bank. Money kept in a bank for safekeeping, like services provided by the bank. Major three services are deposits, loans, and debit card and credit card. For deposits, money kept in the bank for safekeeping and saving is called deposits, and a bank provides these services as a liability and a means to encourage its clients to save money to meet their goal. And loans, a bank also provides services like loans and gives loans to its customers for having collateral as collateral, and then giving loan is cash, property, or other material merchandise given to another group in return for future reimbursement of the amount loaned alongside premium or other money charges. So the clients also have to pay interest if they're taking a loan for a specific period of time. And the third service is debit and credit card. And bank provides debit and credit card services to its customer affiliated to it. Credit and debit cards normally practically indistinguishably with 16-digit card numbers, termination dates, and PIN codes. Bank scope business services are information protection concerns are security and privacy needs in relation to bank scope business services. Information protection concerns are especially central for organizations in the money related and social insurance division. Banks and other budgetary organizations deal with a huge volume of delicate data and their clients, and the leak of such information can have critical results as we progressively rely upon the cloud to store and data lead money related exchanges on the web. Information security concerns keep on developing. Issues emerge with information security with workers, security authorities, and others entrusted with ensuring data neglect to give satisfactory security convincing. That's why security and privacy is very important in banks core business services in nowadays, because the banks are adopting cloud technology and ICT. uh, Banks need for the workload types bank uses are batch processing, transactional processing, and analytical workload. Batch processing these workloads is at hand are intended to work out of sight in the background. Commonly, batch workloads at hand will in general process gigantic volumes of information. These outstanding tasks at hand may incorporate the information delivered from a lot of period bills and or the after effects of long period of online exchanges. The workload at hand requires extensive amount of storage and space. It is done timely regular basis and can be scheduled. Printing bank statements or utility bills overnight or processing payroll slips is one of the tasks that's done under batch processing. Transactional processing, a kind of PC handling in which PC reacts quickly to client demands. Each solicitation is viewed as an exchange. For example, automatic teller machine ATM for bank are case of transaction processing, utilizing the ATM models before the bank enables the ATM to dispense money. The client's record balance must be questioned to check whether there are adequate assets. The ATM must be verified whether it has enough money to fulfill the request. So analytical workload associations will might need to utilize explanatory administration in cloud situation, comprehend determinist measures of information over and hybrid condition to analyze the general bank performance and so to find the estimate of basic achievement factors that will help banks achieve their vital objectives. They have to move past standard business detailing. So analytics workload is applied. And benefits of using cloud technology in bank sector are the financial business needs to address the consistently developing information input requests. There is a need to investigate the frameworks that don't depend on live like system migration. So foundation can be altered with no interruption. Banks have been moderate in embracing cloud computing as their fears with respect to unwavering quality, administrative and security dangers. For example, automatic teller machines (ATM) are for banks a case of transaction processing, utilizing the ATM model before the bank enables ATM to dispense money. The client's record balance must be questioned and verified whether there are adequate assets or money. The ATM must be verified whether it has money to fulfill the request. Everyone is using the credit or debit card to shop and make purchase. It's changed the whole world with the virtual currency flying around through the medium cloud technology. The why major use frame rates. The frame mainframes are very important for bank, and they will be because the security and the frameworks. The frame mainframes provide cannot be duplicated by any technology. So the banks stick to mainframe because of their unwavering quality, accessibility, security, energetic speed, compatibility with the other programming languages, and versatility as banking use large number of clients and transactions. Working mainframes offer colossal measures of preparing powers that can deal with dynamic situations capably. Over 70% of banking corporate influence still lives on the mainframe. Changing from mainframes to cloud computing presents two noteworthy difficulties. Current processing instructions are not slightest bit near the numerous focal points recorded above when contrasting compared with mainframe. Besides, such enormous replatforming is an exorbitant, troublesome, and an incredibly hazardous way. So mainframe is very important for bank.